hope you're doing great. Welcome to my page. Today I want to try this nice and tasty rice pudding dessert or soufflage. But if you're unable to get to restaurants with your beloved ones, no problem. I can easily help you to make this super delicious dessert at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Let's go! Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a rice pudding with only 3 ingredients: rice, stevia and only milk. I soaked off this rice for around 2 days, and also now I want to mix it a little bit to small and tiny size, because it's gonna cook so easier and more quicker. I think that's enough. Look, this is before and this is after grinding. Look, we need this size. You can add also a little bit water. And now it's time for cooking this rice. We need more water. Let it cook for almost 1 hour. Now it's time to add our stevia, milk with cream. You're mixing well. Also a little bit of vanilla. I'm adding 1 spoon of this hot rice and mixing with this cream and stevia. Again, we are adding this mixture to our rice and mix it well. It should be cooked for around 30 minutes more. Well, our pudding rice is ready. Pistachio. Ta-da! Hope you like and enjoy it with your beloved ones. Typically cooked